Hello guys. Today I just wanted to post here a video. So for the people that come here and doesn't know me, I've been 10 years on the IT side. I've been doing Devops and system administrator tasks. I've been working with Linux servers. I've been doing a bunch of things related with IT. I think I've collected some knowledge about the area and the business part of it. I think I just wanted to basically share my thoughts about it. I just wanted to make a quick video just to give you some ideas. So how to start? So to start on the area, for sure you need to have hands-on mindset. You have to start messing with the stuff that you want to try it. So the IT area is very big. You have so many areas. If you want to start by doing database administration, if you want to start by managing web pages, websites, you have so many different areas, and I think you don't need for sure you don't need to know which area to choose right away. You can mess with it. You can try it out. If you want to, you can build, let's say, some Raspberry Pis. You can have a Raspberry Pi and install, let's say, an operating system in it. You can try it. You can try it like to mess with your laptops and format your computer and see how it works. For sure, do it with a computer that you can mess with, so that you don't lose accidentally information and stuff that it's important to you. But I would say try it out like that and see if it's something that you like. I then proceeded with some courses. For sure, in Portugal, it's always nice to have engineering degree or something on the area, but you don't need to. You can just make some courses, some certifications here and there. There are many certifications on, if you are interested in AWS cloud, for sure. A certification on that area. You can start by the basics and then build up on that. Azure also has really nice courses, for sure. Google also. And then you can try to apply jobs and maybe fill in some applications on LinkedIn and start going into interviews on the area by doing it small. Don't be afraid to say that you are not experienced. Go into the job with your mindset of trying to learn